All right, and along expected lines, former Justice Abhijit Ganguly has joined the BJP. This is, of course, an ex-Calcutta High Court judge who you might remember, whose tenure as a High Court judge had been contentious because of statements made within his courtroom. He'd also given a TV interview at one point to a TV channel in which he'd castigated, criticized the incumbent TMC government. The justice had made it clear that he was resigning a few days ago, and now, as expected, this was along expected lines, he has formally joined the BJP, as you can see. All right, our colleague Kamalika with us right now to bring us more context on this. Kamalika, again, on expected lines, but huge news all the same that the justice is doing this immediately after stepping down. We're watching this take place just a few weeks before Lok Sabha elections. Bring our audiences more context, please.
Yeah, definitely. And Abhijit Ganguly, former Justice Abhijit Ganguly, the day he stepped down, he gave us an interview where he said that he will be joining BJP. And likewise, today we were doing this news that he is likely to join BJP. And today in BJP headquarters in Calcutta, he took the flag from Sukanta Majumdar, the BJP chief of Bengal, and also from Suvendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition. Now, from here what we are getting is, though it has not been
Suvendu Adhikari is speaking right now. Kamalika, we'll just connect with you again. Let's just play that out for our audiences.
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन शुभेंदु अधिकारी जी, हमारे राष्ट्रीय नेता मंगल पांडे जी और बाकी जो लीडरशिप है, आज उनको हमारी परिवार में बहुत 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 स्वागत करता हूं और मैं वेलकम करता हूं उनका। और मुझे लगता है कि आगे आने वाले समय में बंगाल की राजनीति एक करवट लेने वाली है और मैं इस उपलक्ष्य पर बंगाल के बुद्धिजीवी, बंगाल के जो पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, बंगाल के जो युवा है, जो वेल एडुकेटेड है, जो दूर से देखते हैं कि राजनीति खराब है, उनको आज मैसेज देना चाहता हूं। आप भी आगे आइए, नरेंद्र मोदी का हाथ पकड़िए और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झंडा पकड़िए, क्योंकि नहीं, अगर आप खाली स्थान छोड़ेंगे तो वहां पे शेख शाहजहां जैसे लोग आके आपके ऊपर दादागिरी करेगा, राजनीति करेगा। तो एक समय है और सही समय है, यही समय है, सही समय है। बंगाल की राजनीति का भागदौड़ शिक्षित युवा आके हाथ में ले, बुद्धिजीवी लोग जो समाज को कुछ दे सकते हैं, ऐसे लोग सामने आए और बंगाल की राजनीति को परिवर्तन, सटीक परिवर्तन, सही परिवर्तन करने का बीड़ा उठाइए। सबको नमस्कार, धन्यवाद। एक घंटा पर এখন এটা চালান, চলুন।
All right, the visuals we're getting you right now of, as you can see, the High Court judge, the ex-Calcutta High Court judge. He stepped down, you remember, just a few days ago. He is now joining the BJP. Former Justice Abhijit Ganguly is someone who has been very critical of the TMC in the last few years, particularly in the last 2 years, which is why, to some degree, this is along expected lines. Now, we do want to bring you more context, but he's been critical within the court too, his court and the proceedings within his court. Sharp lines exchanged with lawyers, for example, in criticism of the TMC government. This had been in the forefront over the last few months. Let's go over to our colleague Kamalika to understand more. Kamalika, skipping ahead a few steps with this question, but is it expected that he will be fielded in the Lok Sabha elections? And if so, do we know what seats?
See, that's what I'm getting from my sources, that he's going to contest Lok Sabha polls, and he's going to contest probably from Tamluk seat. Now, Tamluk seat is in East Medinipur, which is known to be as a bastion of Suvendu Adhikari. So, keeping him in a safe seat in one way can really help Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's what we are getting it from our sources. But we'll really have to wait for the BJP final list, since the candidature for 20 seats have already been announced. So we'll really have to wait and see. But he's going to get the ticket for Lok Sabha polls. That is very sure. That is the reason for which he was asked to resign 5.5 months before his final retirement. So definitely he's going to contest in Lok Sabha polls for BJP from Bengal, that's for sure.
Okay, Kamalika, we'll look to establish or rather re-establish our connection with you. This is, of course, it's not unprecedented for a judge to step down in this manner, but we will bring you more context on this. While hearing one matter, for example, the justice had criticized the TMC government. Now, his resignation from the Calcutta High Court to join the BJP will possibly, according to experts, cast a shadow on decisions that he's made in the court before. But we'll bring you more context on all of this. This has all been taking place over the last week, and these developments are taking place less than a week after he resigned from the bench. He made this announcement yesterday itself that he'll be joining the BJP. Now all of this taking place on your screens right now.